Kamlesh Madvan mwijukuru wa Madvan abatandikira factory ya Shikaro muri Jinja rukumo rwenda 20 nibagira ngo akatare k'ebintu nikagumana kacendera bwanyuma yo kutembesa emihendo y'ebintu ebibarukozesa.
We see that, but depends on the type of things that you're talking about, you know, because when you get to the certain high product like our spirits and so forth, if people don't have a purchasing power, they can't afford to buy. It's not an essential. Whereas other things like sukari, maybe they buy, but maybe they economize, you know. So we try to keep particularly the price of sugar as low as possible. And even today, I think our price of sugar, our ex-factory price, is the lowest.
Inviting you to come
to his home.
So we are inviting you to come and see.
Okay, sit on it.
You can sit on it, yes, and feel.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ebi abigambire ubwo abashuubuzi bambasita nabembezi okurgo murembo rwambarara babire bagiro muri Jinja okumanya ahabwenchi emihendo y'ebintu negumizamo Okutemba no kuba kutunga y'amagezi ago kushuburira hamwe.
And we shall have a business symposium, so we will come here and we invite you. It will be headed by her, and we have a revenue officer by names of Sam. So we shall host a East African trade show. So we invite you.
Thank you.
Abashuubuzi aba ababembirwe omujwekero wa mukuru w'ihanga ahawambarira City North babangwirwe ombintu bitari mwe na bimwe ahibashabire no mukago.
Amanyo kulaba nti ebyobusuubuzi byakola products zakola zongera okufuna etunzi mu Western Uganda era asubiza okukyala mu Western Uganda ankole alabe engeri gyasobola okuyamba mu nkulaakulana eyokuleeta investment mu kitundu ky'embalala.
Abakwasire umuhanda bakaza Jinja kutayayira factory ya Madvani amageza kuba kuyihayo nigija nigatungura mbara nigija nigatungura Uganda nigatungura n'abashuubuzi abandi kandi nyonko mwebembezi nkamembo wa parliament ni kisima munonga.
Mbara City Traders Association eina abashuubuzi abarukurengo muri 18 kandi aba nibagira ngo omukwegitira hamwe nibaza kutunga mu cyango okugirira karumwe. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West.